Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Belongings at his girlfriend's house. There were totes of personal items belonging to Monty Shirley and an old set of golf clubs. Additionally, a neighbor of Bob's in the trailer park told authorities that Bob had knocked on her door.
Oh, I want to go deliver some street tacos. What are you fucking doing?
You mother piece of stupid ass shit.
Doing that in this truck.
They opening the door, husband. Watch it. Oh, husband.
She did it.
Fuck it. That's what I said, watch it.
Holy mackerel. Holy crap! That was right over there! Evening, check the rest of the family schedule. That looks right.
What the idiot?
It's a nightmare scenario. So the game is on, the country is watching, we are soon going to see where this lands, but in the midst of all of this, there are some stunning explosive emails about exactly why.
Why?
Razor blades in there.
Jesus, Austin, where? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god.
Are you okay?
Oh my god. I'm
Uy, oh my gosh. Don't tell me it's a hit and run. Okay, good.
Tinsan na tanong sinong vlog, no?
Dog. Who bought Dominion?
Chinese people.
Who bought the Dominion voting thing?
Chinese people. Chinese.
Something is going on. One or two things is going on. Either you don't have any evidence that they stole the election, or you have evidence and you're not telling me. Why would you not tell me? Why would you not tell me? I'll tell everybody. You have evidence? Like, or you're like, oh, I was taking my tray off. Did she? Yeah, she was over in Fort Lauderdale.
Oh, holy sh! Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.